myself of old memories.
Man, I can't show you how you paint the roses dark, how I roll with a stolen soul and a frozen heart, how I messed up and left my trust as a broken part, how the game is tricky and how to hold the cards. Because it's cold and all they give you is rain, you go insane cause you're never getting rid of the pain. But I refuse to be the quitter, I choose to be the winner. I hit the goal even if I do it as a sinner. Because if you really give the battle what you got, you realize that a knockdown is a chapter of get up. Yeah, it's blood, sweat and tears on the path I walk, and all I hear is that motherfucking crap they talk. But I just laugh at y'all, I don't need a fucking master grade to figure out that life was nothing but a masquerade. Sad to say, but I'm telling the truth, ain't no goddamn lies like I was selling the news, mofo.
Winter's going and the leaves turn green. I cannot rid myself of old memories. Winter's going and the leaves turn green. I cannot rid myself of old memories.
Yeah, so fuck what they're trying to sell, and all of the blood-sucking lies that they tell. I know the route, I had my fight down in hell, and nobody will save you, they'd rather hide in the belt. But I stood my ground, I can't be stuck on the bottom, only a daffy motherfucker ducking a problem. It's the anxiety who knock out my energy, it's like I can't find any positive chemistry. Late nights and I guzzle on my remedy, and dreaming how I turn myself into a fucking memory. I can't pretend to be what I am, and all I really did was try to reach for a hand. But you still judge me without knowing the game, stupid. Nights like your brain swimming in brake fluid. Yeah, I won't deny that fact, I let the truth hit you twice like I rewinded slap, bitch.
Winter's going and the leaves turn green. I cannot rid myself of old memories. Winter's going and the leaves turn green. I cannot rid myself of old memories. Winter's going and the leaves turn green. I cannot rid myself of old memories. Winter's going and the leaves turn green. I cannot rid myself of old memories.
Man, I ain't the type who flexing and bossing. I don't want my life to rest in a coffin. I've been on the grind, I know the stress I've been causing. I dodged the devil, guess I was blessed when I crossed him. So why should I follow a lead? Stuck in a mess with sorrow and greed. Fucked by the stress but still borrow and bleed. So I keep doing me because tomorrow is free. And you don't have to live like a gangster. A world of corruption should give you the answer. We all know that the grind is real, but they looking at people like they are wicked in the head. When they try to speak out their minds how they feel, never listen, but they always get the picture when they're dead. But we move forward, because benefit themselves, that's the only thing they do for us. Fucking maggots.